Have you ever tried making your own homemade strawberry jam? If not, then try this quick jam recipe and I guarantee you will be making it again and again. Start by washing, drying and removing the green leaves from the strawberries. Chop them in half and add them in a pan along with sugar, squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Now cook on medium heat until the sugar dissolves and no moisture left. To test the setting point of a jam, use a cold plate and spoon a little onto a cold plate. Leave it for a minute or two and use your fingers to check if the jam holds its place and it crinkles. You can store them in a sterilized jars for a couple of months, and trust me, it is not going to last that long and it will be finished so quickly.